Kalimera, good morning from Skiathos. It's a cold and lonely Monday morning at Skiathos port. Oh. Only the cats are awake and the fishermen, and we are on the way to visit the guys Yanis and Kostas again, as we've done before. But today we're really gonna challenge the situation, as it's not only drizzling, it's absolutely raining now, and I can say that as a Danish person. I know about rain. This is the real thing. What to say? Kalimera Ελλάδα. Guten Morgen Griechenland. Guten Morgen Griechenland. We start with the two first nets. Τίποτα. Nothing so far. But let's hope for
beautiful morning, guys. Yes.
which was all empty. It really started picking up when it started raining and when we went to some other locations, so could have been worse.